In this video, I'll show how you can create an Azure function with a timer trigger in 2 minutes. We'll start in this empty resource group, and we'll go to create to first create a function app. I'll type function app, create a function app now. I'll use consumption, and I'll call this func AIS demo func timer. I'll use Node.js, same region as my resource group, and leave the rest of the defaults, and create my function app. Once the function app is deployed, we'll create an Azure function with a timer trigger within it. My deployment is complete. I'll go to my resource. Now in the Azure portal, we'll create a function. We'll select timer trigger and hit next. Now we can choose the name of our function. I'll leave it as timer trigger 1. This is the schedule that your timer will run on. It uses a standard cron format. You can learn more about cron formatting and see examples on this page. I'll leave a link to this in the description. I'll change this to execute every 30 seconds so that we can see our function run more often. Then I'll create the function. As a side note, the timer trigger template for the JavaScript programming model currently uses the v3 version of Azure Functions. This Model v3 programming model is slightly different from the Model v4, which no longer uses a function.json file. To see my function running, I can come to logs, and I can begin to see executions taking place from my timer triggered function. I can also view all the logs from my functions within my function app log stream. And I can see the timer triggered Azure function executing in here as well. This has been a video on how to create an Azure function with a timer trigger in the Azure portal.
If this video was helpful for you, I'd appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.